Hey everyone, this is Kevin from Percy's Outdoors. This is the next video in our bridge repair series. As you know, I am repairing a small wooden bridge on our property that has been neglected for, I don't know, I would say about 15 years. We moved here about a year ago. This property is part of the common area in our community and provides access to a bunch of trails, and the community just let it rot away. So if you remember from the previous videos, we put some of the black plastic conduit tubing that you commonly see with landscapers and drainage around your house, and now we're just kind of filling it in with rock. Hopefully a combination of rock and dirt will not only allow water to seep through if it overwhelms the tubes, but also provide a foundation for the new wood or whatever we end up putting on top of the bridge. So that's it. It's going to be the conduit to support the water flow, rock, which will help with seepage, and support the final layer of wood or whatever we use to build the bridge. As you can see here, this is kind of the wood that was rotted away. It's removed. We can't use it anymore. I'll eventually have to get rid of it. But today we'll just focus on grabbing more rock to fill in our hole and support the structure of the rest of the bridge. By the way, usually the roll cars work. These roll cars are pretty decent down. I did pump before original tires for the new tires and wheels, but I don't think that's any fault of the roll car. I can only overload this thing and put it on there, weight it in. It's probably supposed to carry.